If you want a simple way to organize notes, projects, ideas, and to-do lists, Evernote is a great place to start. In this video, I'll show you how to use Evernote step by step, so you can create notes, organize them into notebooks, and keep your tasks in one place. This is perfect whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants a cleaner system for staying organized. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the Evernote website. You can start on the web, but it's also a good idea to download the Evernote desktop app if you use a Mac or Windows computer, because that gives you quicker access and a smoother workflow. Once you're there, sign in with your Evernote account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create a new account. The setup is straightforward, and once you're signed in, you'll be ready to start building your workspace. Now, let's create your first note. In the top left corner of the sidebar, click the New Note button. This is where Evernote really starts to shine, because every note can be used for anything from meeting notes to study material to personal reminders. After clicking New Note, enter a title for your note. Make it clear and easy to recognize so you can find it later without any trouble. Then type or paste your content into the note area. As you add your content, take advantage of the formatting toolbar at the top of the note. You can change text style, create bullet lists, and format information in a way that makes it easier to read. If you want to add more than basic text, Evernote also gives you a faster way to insert different content. Just type the / or inside the note, and the insert menu will appear. From there, you can add items like checkboxes, tables, attachments, and even sketches. This is really useful when you want to turn a simple note into a more interactive workspace. Next, let's talk about organizing everything. On the left sidebar, click Notebooks. This is where you can group related notes together, so your account doesn't become messy over time. Then click New Notebook. Give your notebook a name that matches what you're storing in it, like work, recipes, school, or travel. Once your notebook is created, you can move notes into it or create new notes directly inside it. This helps keep your content structured and makes it much easier to come back later and find exactly what you need. Now we'll go one step further and set up tasks. Click Tasks in the left sidebar. This is one of the most useful parts of Evernote if you want more than just note-taking. Here, you can create a new task, add a due date if needed, and manage your to-do list all in one place. That means you can keep your notes and your action items connected instead of switching between multiple apps. If you use a connected calendar, your tasks can even sync automatically, which makes planning your day even more efficient. The best way to use Evernote is to keep your system simple. Create notes for your ideas, sort them into notebooks, and use tasks for anything that needs follow-up. Over time, this gives you a searchable, organized system that can save you a lot of time. You can use it for work projects, personal goals, class notes, shopping lists, content planning, and so much more. So that's how to use Evernote. You learned how to sign in, create notes, format them, use the / menu, organize everything into notebooks, and manage tasks with optional calendar syncing. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.